Hey guys, it's Julie with Julie's Designs. Today I have a little bit of a different kind of haul for y'all. Usually I do garage sale and thrift store hauls, but last week in between Black Friday and Cyber Monday, Target had an amazing sale. All the Christmas stuff was spend $100, get $50 off, but some of it wasn't Christmas stuff. It was just kind of whatever was included in the sale. So I got stuff that I could put up year round, and like it was so cheap. It was like garage sale prices. So I went crazy. I placed 2 orders, and it took all of my willpower not to place 3. But now that I got the stuff in, I kind of wish I would have placed 3 because it was like after Christmas prices before Christmas. So I'm going to go through and show y'all what I got. I'm going to tell y'all what the regular price was. And oh, a lot of it was on sale too. So it was 50% off the sale price. I made sure my order was right at $100 to get the maximum discount. So everything was pretty much half off. And if it was on sale, it gave you the sale price. And I mean, at Target, you can definitely pay regular price. Like it's not like Hobby Lobby where everything goes 40% off. And actually, when I was checking all the prices, I printed out my receipt and I checked all the prices on these, and a lot of them are back up to regular price. So I'm excited about the deals I got. All right, so we're going to start with this box. Ugh. Okay, I ordered 3 of these plush throws. They are so cute and so soft. I'm not like crazy about plushy throws for decorating. My kids like to cuddle up with them, but these I thought were cute because it's just simple red, white stripe. It will look great with my Christmas decor. I ordered 3 of them because they were regular $10. They were on sale for $6, so I paid $3 for these little blankets. And now that I got them in, I wish I ordered more because I feel like it'd be like the perfect little gift or put them around the house, all over the place. I have a big house, so I need a lot of Christmas stuff, and I'm just trying to kind of gather every year because there's no way I could buy enough all in one year. Okay, next thing. This is a 2-foot Christmas tree, and it's pre-lit. So I just want a bunch of different size Christmas trees to put around the house. So this is just a little 2-foot Christmas tree that's going to go up. And let me see what I paid for that. There is one thing I'm still waiting on, is a Merry Christmas pillow that I ordered that hasn't come in yet. Everything else has come in. So this 2-foot Christmas tree was regular $20. It was on sale for $14, so I paid $7 for this 2-foot Christmas tree. All right, that's all that was in that box. Next box. I am so impressed with these, and this is something for year round. Look at these magnolia wreaths. And like these leaves almost feel like fabric. They just seem like such good quality. And they had this size and they had a bigger size, which I already have big magnolia wreaths, so I didn't order them. But now that I see them, I wish I would have because I really like them. And I have 3 magnolia trees in my landscaping. So I like putting magnolia wreaths on my doors because I feel like it just ties the outside with the inside. So I wish I would have ordered more of these. So let's see how much these were. So these were regular $10. They were on sale for $7. So I paid $3.50. I ordered 2 of these. And my plan for these is to put them on my new china cabinet that I just got on the glass doors. So they're just going to hang. So when you walk into my house, I have 2 magnolia trees on my double doors in the entrance. And then in my foyer, I bought a china cabinet to put there, and the top is all glass. So I'm thinking on the glass doors, I'll hang these, and it'll kind of tie the outside in. And for Christmas, all I'm going to do is hang a little Christmas ribbon, and it will be perfect. So those were $3.50. Oh, see? Some I wish I would have ordered more of. Oh, I ordered a bunch of these. So I'm going to open them up so y'all can see them. They're picks, but they're all kind of different types of greenery. So this is perfect for decorating either stuff that I'm going to be selling or just for around the house, because I like to just get the plain greenery and then accessorize. And I don't have to cut it up. Like usually I order, like I get a garland and I cut it up, or I get a fake tree and I cut it up. So I don't have to do that. Like it's already all separated and cut for me. So there's 20 in here. It's a 20-count mixed greenery. They're regular $6. They were on sale for $4.20, and I paid $2.10 for them. And I ordered 4 of them because I knew it was something I would be using either around my house or to accessorize stuff that I'm selling. I got a cute little trolley bound Christmas tree. I tried to get like all different shapes and sizes trees because I want to put them just all over my house, just like make little displays everywhere that I can. So this little tree, it was regular $5. It was on sale for $3.50, so I only paid $1.75 for this one. And I'm just going to put it in a cute little pot or like a little bag or something. And it's going to be adorable. It kind of looks like it could be something for year round too. I love berries in my decor. These are super nice. They're not those foam ones that fall apart. They're nice hard plastic. So these should last, because we live in South Louisiana and you put those foam ones in your attic and they completely fall apart. So this berry garland is, let me see. I ordered 2 of these. They were regular $10. They were on sale for $7. And so they're $3.50. And they are 6 feet long. So I'll open this up. I'll be able to add it to my garland and it'll look super cute. All right, that's all for that box. Let's see what's in this one. Here is my other garland and my other magnolia wreath. This little Christmas tree, I need to like open it up a little bit, but it is a, let's see. I don't know. I ordered a bunch of different sizes. I think they had like an 18-inch, a 24-inch, and it doesn't say on the tag what size this one is. Let's just say this one is the 18-inch. Nope, it's not. Oh, okay, this one must be the 24-inch because it was $10. So this one wasn't on sale. It was $10, so I paid $5 for it. But like I said, I wanted to get a bunch of different size trees just to put all around my house. Okay, I love these too. I like adding berries and pine cones to my decor. That's my favorite look. It's just very natural. So these are pine cones. Can y'all see the little sticks? So you just stick them in wherever you want. And I only ordered 1 bag of these, and I kind of wish I would have ordered more because this is something I use a lot of. So there's 40 of these in this bag. And they were regular $6. They were on sale for $4.20, and I paid $2.10 for them. Y'all, why didn't I order more? Oh, I'm really kicking myself for not making a 3rd order, because this is all stuff that I love using, and this is after Christmas prices. Okay, this is, let me see. This is a 6-foot Christmas tree I ordered to put outside. So we have like our main house, we have an outside kitchen, which is like a party room, and so I like to decorate the outside of that. So I ordered a 6-foot Christmas tree to put in front, and let me tell y'all how cheap this was. So it was regular $40. It was on sale for $28, so I paid $14 for it. It is an unlit tree. I didn't want a lit tree because I didn't want to have to deal with it when the lights go out, because you know they will. So I've been just getting unlit trees and then stringing them myself, so I don't have to deal with that. Like if the string goes out, all I have to do is replace it. I do want to replace this, my main tree, the one right behind me, but I didn't find anything I really loved, so I'd rather just wait and try to find what I want. I went to, where I went yesterday? Oh, I went to Hobby Lobby. I saw one that I kind of liked, And then I went to Michael's and I didn't see anything I like. So I think I need to check like Home Depot or Lowe's. I don't know. Y'all let me know what's y'all favorite place to buy artificial Christmas trees. All right, this is the last box. Y'all. So I got the magnolia wreaths. Like I said, I have 2 double doors in the front. And so they had this magnolia garland. And I was like, that would be perfect to put over the doors. It's so pretty and it matches this perfectly. And that's why I'm really regretting not ordering the big ones. Because even I have 2 magnolia ones from Kirkland's. But they look just a little bit different. Like these are a little bit deeper green. I mean, I think it'll all work together. But I kind of wish I would have just ordered 2 bigger ones from Target. So, let me tell y'all how much these were. Let me find it in my papers. And these are not on sale anymore. So they were regular $19.99. They were on sale for $13.99. So I paid $6.99 and I ordered 2, I believe. Yes, I ordered 2 of them. Because they are, how long are they? Does it say? They are 6 feet long. Or no, they're 72 inches long. They're 72 inches long. So I ordered 2 to be safe to make sure I had enough to go all the way around the door. And if I only end up needing 1, I can definitely find somewhere else to put the other one. Okay. Oh, this is just some basic garland that I ordered. It's 9-foot garland. I actually needed some of this when I did my craft show and I had to pay $15 for it at Home Depot. So let me tell y'all what I paid for it. It was regular $10. It was on sale for $7. I paid $3.50 for this 9-foot garland. And this is just something I could put all over. And I could add the pine cones and the berries to it. And it looks crazy expensive. I know you can buy the garland already put together like that. But it's so expensive. I just rather buy the pieces and put it together myself exactly the way that I want it to look. And it still comes out way cheaper. More berries. These are picked berries. I love berries all over the place. I think I only ordered 1 pack of these. This is another one I kind of wish I would have ordered more of because I love just adding this stuff into my decor. It's a nice deep red, so it's not too bright. I love it. And there are 40 in this bag. They were regular $6. They were on sale for $4.20, so I paid $2.10 for this pack of 40 berries. And I'm pretty sure at even Hobby Lobby you would at least pay 50 cents for one of these. So that's a good deal. Here's another tree. So this must be the 18-inch tree. So this one wasn't on sale. It was $5, so I paid $2.50 for it. So this is the 24-inch, this is the 18-inch, and I got 1 more. And each option they had flocked ones too, but I only got 1 flocked one because I also like to flock my own stuff. So I'll buy it unflocked, undecorated, and just kind of do it myself. So this one was flocked. It was $3, regular $3, and so I paid $1.50 for it. So this will look so cute just all together. You can't have enough Christmas trees. And then when I went to I went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's last night, I was looking at these little trees. They were insanely expensive, like either in between $10 to $25. I was like, oh my God, I'm glad I got them. They're definitely even regular price. They're cheaper at Target. This one was $10, this one's $3, and this one was $5 at a regular price. So that's not awful. That is it, guys. And the only thing I'm missing is my Merry Christmas. It is like a red textured pillow with embroidered Merry Christmas on it. I don't have really any Christmas pillows, and it was so cheap. I decided to get it just to put out. It was regular $19.99. It was on sale for $11.99, so I paid $6 for the Merry Christmas pillow. So let me tell y'all, I'm a nerd. So I added everything up because seeing how much I saved is very exciting to me. So had I paid regular price for these, which at Target is definitely possible, you know, it's not Kohl's and Hobby Lobby where everything's on sale. If I paid full price for all this, I would have paid $278.98. What I actually spent, including taxes and everything, was $103.49. So that's a total savings of $175.49. So that's exciting to me that I got all this stuff. I feel like it was after Christmas prices. And I wanted to do this haul today because it just all came in, and now I'm going to put it up. So y'all stay tuned for my tour video once I get my house all set up for Christmas. It might be like the day before Christmas or something. I am so busy this time of year. You know, I'm a crafter, so I'm like placing orders and getting everybody else's Christmas stuff ready. So it's hard to find time for my own. So every day I've been trying to decorate a little bit. I don't stress myself out and try to get it done in all one day, but I did decide to take this weekend off. So I am not working. I am decorating, which is not work to me. It's super fun. So y'all stay tuned. As soon as I have everything looking the way that I want, I'm going to take y'all on a tour of the inside and the outside of my house, all decorated for Christmas, and you'll be able to see what I did with all this stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to Julie's Designs and Signs for more DIY inspiration and home decor.
Thanks for watching, and give this video a big